Hey guys, T here. You ever put a long 16 penny nail into a couple of 2x4s and then realize you got to get it out? That can be a tough task sometimes. I know there's these extractors called cat paws and things like that that supposedly are supposed to get under the head of the nail and allow you to pull it out. There's also the little old pry bar that most of us have. And then you can follow that up with a big old crowbar. These work great if you can get under the head. I'm going to try a method today that my granddad used to use. And it's this old tool here. This thing just works great. You slam it down into the wood, it catches onto the head, and you pry it off. Sounds good to me. We're going to try it on a 16 penny nail, a couple of roofing nails, and a 10 penny nail. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Let's take some nails out. Here's this old style extractor. It's got a claw at the end here. It's got a nice lever that you pull against, and it's got a big weight that you slam down to jam the claws into the wood so that it can grasp the head. Let's test it out on a 16 penny nail, then a 10, then a roofing nail. $16 penny. $10 penny. So I like this old extractor. The sharpness of the claws are good. The hammer jams it down into the wood so that you can grip the head. And what I found out was that you want to keep this extended when you make the extraction so that you've got the maximum leverage. I pulled a 16 penny nail. That's about 3¼ inches. 10 penny nail and a little roofing nail. It all worked good. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you soon.